Hey, to factory reset your Nothing phone to A by using the recovery mode, first of all click and hold the power button and the volume up button, then select power off. Now just wait until your phone turns on and repeat, click and hold the power button and the volume up button together until you will get this boot mode. So keep holding, now you will feel vibration, you will get Nothing logo on the screen, and here we are. And as you can see in my case, unfortunately I just mess up because I just clicked the button and it actually exits this mode. So we have to repeat, just do this one more time. And now release both buttons. So if you have the same issue that it's like automatically turned off, just release these buttons a little bit earlier. And now from this, you will be actually with this mode. So what you have to do is just to scroll with the volume up button, and you have to be sure that you actually select the recovery mode with this arrow. So it's actually selected right now, as you can see. Now click on the volume down button to enter for the recovery mode. It will take around 5 or 8 seconds until the phone turns into the no comment Android screen. So wait for it. There we go. And now we have to click and hold the power button and click once on the volume up button. And now we are in the recovery mode. So we have to navigate with the volume buttons, with the volume up and the volume down. So we have to select this option, wipe data, the factory reset, click on it with the power button. Now from this, scroll with the volume down button, select factory data reset with the power button, and now you can find this information at the bottom of your screen. The device will be actually wipe all data from our smartphone, and now we have to select the reboot system now. So click on the power button, and now your smartphone will be turned on. And yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.